ask you a question. Are you hitting your income goals each and every single month? If not, then you may not know the answer to this very important question, which is, do you know your numbers? So, if you're not hitting your income goals and you have no idea what I'm talking about, I am here to help you. That is what we are going to cover in today's video, how you know your numbers so that you can hit your goals consistently each and every single month. Hi, I'm Lindsay Sewell, and if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the bell notification so that you never miss out on one of our training videos. And head over to lindsaysewell.com after this video is over so you can download all my freebies and the valuable information I have for you over there. But today, we are going to talk about knowing your numbers. Oftentimes, when I'm coaching clients and they're struggling to hit their income goals month after month, the most important question that they haven't considered is, what are the actual numbers I need to be focusing on in my business? So, what does this mean? Let me break it down for you with some very simple examples. I'm going to use nice round numbers so that it's not confusing. Let's say that you are either a health coach or a business coach and you want to make $9,000 per month. Well, if you want to make $9,000 per month, you need to know how much your package costs. So let's say you're going to offer a $3,000 coaching package. You would need to sell 3 of those packages every single month to make $9,000. Sounds pretty simple, right? You need to close 3 people into your business each and every single month in order to make the $9,000 per month. But here's where people get hung up. Do you know what your closing percentage is? And when I talk about your closing percentage, I mean, do you know how many phone consults or how many people you need on a webinar or how many people you need to get on a Zoom call in order to close those 3 people into your business each and every single month? Let's say you have about a 30% closing rate. That would mean that you would need to have at least 9 to 10 people actually booking a call with you each and every single month for you to get your 3 customers each month. And here is where people get hung up as well. Okay, that's great, Lindsay. I have a 30% closing rate when I actually get people on the phone. But do you know how to generate those leads to get people on the phone? A lot of times you can do it through referrals, or you can do it when meeting in person, networking, and speaking events. But if you can't do that right now, in the current environment that we're in right now in 2020, how do you get people to book a call? Well, maybe that means that you need to do a Facebook Live every single week, offering some value and inviting people to a free consult with you. Perhaps you're building your email list, and every so often you can let people know when you have availability on your calendar to book one of these consults with you. Or do you have your own podcast? Can you get interviewed on other people's podcasts? These are all ways that you can get in front of people and get them booking calls on your calendar. You can do online networking events. You can be a sponsor for other people's virtual events and other people's trainings so that you can get people to book consults. And it's really important for you to start looking at all the various ways that you are attracting your leads and your potential customers and know, again, your numbers. If you're doing a Facebook Live every week, how many leads on average is that generating for you for your consults? If you are doing your own podcast, how many leads is that generating each and every single week? If you're emailing your list, again, how many leads is that generating? Is this making sense? Are you understanding how important it is to actually track those numbers and those statistics? Because we can't measure what we don't track, and we can't improve what we don't measure. So if you're just saying, I want to make $9,000 a month, but I don't know how I'm going to get customers, then you're basically just throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping it's going to stick and hoping someone is going to come out, pop out and say, hey, I need you to coach me. Does this make sense? I'm hoping that you're picking up what I'm putting down because this is a critical, critical skill. Now, if you're going, this is all fine and good, Lindsay. I know my numbers, but I'm still not getting people that are raising their hand and saying they're interested in my consults, then I want you to go ahead, stop this video, check out my other video on, do you know what problem you solve? Because if you're not attracting people to you for your free consults or to you to ask you about your business or to you to book a consult with you, then you probably don't have the answer to that question yet. So go watch that video and then you can come back over here and watch the rest of this one. Now, maybe you're not a health coach. Maybe you're not a business coach. Maybe you are a network marketer. So how would this apply to you in your business? Well, in network marketing, I often see when people first get started that their closing percentage is probably about 10%, right? They're able to get about 1 in every 10 people to either become a customer or join their business. So let's break these numbers down for you as a network marketer. Let's say you want to enroll 1 new customer each and every single week. That would be 52 customers in a year. Imagine how your business would transform year after year after year if you were bringing in just 1 customer each and every single week. So if you're able to bring in 1 customer each and every single week, how many people do you need to put in front of your presentation or get on a call with you or put in front into a Facebook group maybe that your team runs? Well, that would be 10. You would need to get 10 people either on the phone with you, on a 3-way chat or call with your upline, or in front of a presentation. But if you're brand new to network marketing and we said you're able to close about 1 in 10, then you aren't just going to magically put a post up on your Facebook profile or reach out to 10 people and have them all say yes to the presentation. Remember, your closing rate at this point, brand new in your business, is only 10%. So you would need to talk to or connect with 100 people to get 10 people to your presentation or on the phone or in a Facebook group in order to enroll that 1 customer per week. So let's take a firm and hard look at what you're actually doing in your business right now. Are you talking to 100 people per week? Are you making 100 new connections on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on whatever platform you're using each and every single week? Or are you making 5 or 10 and hoping for the best, hoping that you get a customer out of that? That is why you're frustrated. If you don't understand these numbers, if you don't know the reasoning behind why you're not enrolling the customers, there's no way for you to measure, track, and improve your results. So let's take a really hard look at what your numbers currently are so that you can improve them. Now, this may be sounding pretty depressing to you, maybe thinking, oh my gosh, Lindsay, there's no way I can talk to 100 people every single week, week after week after week for a year. I will have no life. Here's the good news. As you get better at what you're doing, as your team grows, as your influence grows, as your skills improve, your closing percentage also goes up. So most of the top performers and the top recruiters actually have a closing percentage closer to 60 or 70%. And with those numbers, you have one of 2 choices. Either you continue to talk to 100 people a week, and now suddenly you're getting 6 or 7 new people each and every single week in your business, or you can reduce your numbers at that point and you can still grow your team at a very healthy and consistent rate. But the first and most important step is to make sure that you understand your numbers. Now, if you're wondering how you're going to get 100 people to talk to and 100 interested people, then you're going to want to go ahead and head over to my next video, wherever it is, and learn how to take cold leads and turn them hot very fast so you have an endless supply of people to talk to. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next video.